Hi friends, I'm Handy. I miss you so much guys during this COVID-19 lockdown. You guys get bored due to this lockdown? So let's we learn about fabric. Are you guys ready to learn? Okay, let's we get into the video. Fiber to fabric. Fiber is nothing but thin like thread structure and fabric is nothing but cloth or other material weaving fiber. There are two types of fibers such as natural fiber and man-made or synthetic fiber. Types of fibers. Natural fiber. Natural fibers are fibers that are produced by plants and animals. They can be used as component of composite material. Natural fibers can also be melted into sheet to make paper. For example, cotton, wool, jute and silk. Man-made or synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber or fiber made by human through synthesized chemical in laboratory. A synthesized fiber is a type of chain of small unit joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substances. For example, nylon, polyester, marker, fur and so on. Natural fiber. Cotton. Cotton is nothing but soft and fluffy staple fiber grown in a ball or protective case around the seed of the genus Gossypium in the mallow family Malvaceae. The fiber is most often spun into yarn or thread and used to make a soft and breathable texture. Cotton is a hugely important fiber. It is used to make all kind of clothing, bedding and other things we use regularly like t-shirt, jeans and socks are made from cotton. Process of making cotton. From field to fabric, the process of making cotton transforms the raw fiber into thread, yarn and fabric in 3 steps. First step is preparation, second step is spinning and third step is weaving. Preparation. To be used for thread or fabric, raw seed cotton must be cleaned and free of debris. Seed, burst, dirt, stem and leaf material are removed from the cotton during ginning. Ginning is the process of separating cotton from seed. Once in the cotton gin, the seed cotton moves through dryer and through multi-cleaning machine that removes the gin. Waste such as dirt, dust, stem, leaf materials from the cotton. Once thoroughly cleaned and dry, the cotton goes to the gin stand. Spinning. In spinning process, a yarn is usually of substantial length of small cross section. In this cross section of yarn, there are usually multiple number of staple fiber of filament of unlimited length. Staple fiber also called as short fiber and filament also called as long fiber. The spinning device takes fiber from the silver and rotate it up to 2500 revolution in a second twist that make fiber into a yarn for weaving or knitting in fabric. Spinning is the last process in yarn manufacturing. This process stage in correct sequence is called spinning. Staple spun yarn, which is made by twisting staple fiber together into a strand. Some of the examples for spun yarn such as mono yarn, multi-filament, staple yarn, two-ply yarn, multi-ply yarn, thread, cord or cable. Weaving. Weaving is a method of textile production in which two sets of yarn or thread are interlaced at right angle to form a fabric. Modern loops work at great speed, interlacing the lengthwise yarn and the crosswise yarn. Lengthwise yarn also called as warp and crosswise yarn also called as weft. Waft requires to yarn the trend lengthwise in woven goods and weft is the yarn that runs crosswise in woven goods and may be required to us filling yarns. Sizing is not placed on weft because flexibility is needed in the weaving process. Silk. Silk is nothing but natural protein fiber, some form of which can be woven into textile. The protein fiber of silk is consumed of fibrine and which is produced by certain insect larvae to form cocoon. The best known silk is obtained from the cocoon of the larva of the mulberry silkworm. Silk is known for its shine and softness as a material. There are different types of silks. Worm produce different silk. For example, Tassar silk, Muga silk, Kosa silk and so on. Process of silk. The process of silk production known as sericulture. Extracting raw silk started by cultivating the silkworm on mulberry leaves. First step is reeling of silkworm, second step is reeling and third step is dyeing. This followed by spinning and weaving. Wool. Wool is the textile fiber obtained from hair of sheep and other animals, including goat, camel, yak and alpaca, in order to process wool so that it can be used to make clothing, rugs and blanket. Once the flip hair is cut off, it is washed and spun into yarn. Process of making wool. The process of making wool are shearing, cleaning, sourcing, grading, sorting, carding, spinning, weaving and finishing. Now the next fiber is jute. Jute fiber is obtained from jute plant. The jute fiber comes from the stem and ribbon of the jute plant. The fiber are first extracting by reeding. The reeding process consumed by bundling jute stem together and immersing them in slow running water. After that it get rotated there and the peel came out and you get strong jute fiber. They remove the fiber and make yarn. In Andhra Pradesh state, in the district of Visakhapatnam and other districts. For example, rope, fabric, mat and jute plant.